Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen, the Crazy Wig Lady. First, if you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy this channel. I hope you enjoy this content. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I want to let you know all the wigs I'm going to show you today are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them myself or they were provided to me previously for review. So can you believe it's that time of year again? I felt like we just had Thanksgiving, but here we are again. And of course, if you're like me and you're going to be cooking for Thanksgiving, the first thing that comes to mind to me is, what wig am I going to wear? So I put together some options, and I'm going to show you 12 wigs. And then I'll show you at the very end which one I decided to wear. Now, if you're not cooking, you have nothing to worry about. You can wear anything you like. Long, short, heat-friendly, synthetic, whatever you like. But if you're cooking, there's a couple things that we need to keep in mind. All right, if you're cooking, you know that hot air from an oven will ruin a synthetic wig. So I have made it a habit, whether I'm wearing synthetic or heat friendly, I stand to the side and I pull that oven door open and I'm way on the side and I let that burst of heat come out before I go anywhere near the front of that oven. Just make that a habit, because you can ruin a wig very fast if you open the oven door and that hot air blows out on your synthetic hair. It could get ugly. So be careful on that. Now, I personally don't like things that hang down into my face when I'm cooking, so I usually pull something back either with a barrette or a headband, and so that's something to keep in mind as well. Also today, my lighting is going to be coming in and out bright and then a little more shady. We're having a super cloudy day today. However, I'm not doing any wig reviews. I've already reviewed all these wigs. So I'm not doing an in-depth review, so just forgive me if my lighting is not perfect today. Like I said, all the wigs I'm going to show you, I've already reviewed. I will link them all in the description box below this video. Just go below the video, open up the drop-down box, and all the links to all of these will already be there. Now, at my house, I can tell you I'll be changing hair on and off all day, because the ladies in my family love to talk about wigs. I have converted them all to loving wigs, talking about wigs. It's a big conversation here, and I know we're going to end up in my wig closet before the day is over, trying on hair and having a lot of fun talking about different wigs. Okay, like I said, I've picked out a few that are contenders for my main hair for Thanksgiving, so let's get started and have a look at them. This is Raquel Welch, ready for Takeoff, and SS Biscuit. Beautiful heat-friendly fibers. Lace front, mono top, partially hand-tied cap. This is a wig that works for any occasion. Raquel Welch, ready for Takeoff. This is Rene Scorpio PM Champagne Blush. I love this color, Champagne Blush. I think it's so pretty. These are synthetic fibers, of course. Lace front, mono part. It's got bangs, easy to wear, throw on and go. Rene Scorpio PM. One of my favorite wigs, Gabor Premium Luxury and Rusty Auburn. Such a nice style. I love this bob. Angled cut. No permatease here. Lace front. Mono top. You can it's open wefted. You can part it anywhere within this mono top. Beautiful lace front. Gabor Premium Luxury and Rusty Auburn. Raquel Welch, Watch Me Wow, and SS Golden Wheat. This is such a beautiful long style. Has these bangs on the front. I like the layering on this. Synthetic fibers, lace front, open wefted, no mono features here, and it's a good price point. Raquel Welch, Watch Me Wow. Tress Allure, Angled Pixie, and Dark Golden Blonde. It doesn't get much easier than this. Out of the box, no lace front or mono features. This is a very budget-friendly style. Ready to wear, Tress Allure, Angled Pixie, Dark Golden Blonde. Estetica Jamison, Silver Sun RT8. I think I have 3 or 4 Jamisons. I like them that much. I have them in different colors. I love this color. I love this style. Easy to wear, sleek bob, open wefted, lace front, mono part, A-line, just beautiful side swept bangs. I really don't think you can go wrong with Jamison. And this one is Silver Sun RT8. Henry Margu Iris 3856 GR. So much I like about this. It's tight to the nape. You can move your head around. It's not going to lift. You can wear this with ease. Very comfortable. Easy to wear. Like I said, run your hands through it. Run a little water through this. A little sea salt spray. Lace front. Mono top. Open wefted. Modern short style. Ready to go. Henry Margu Iris. All right, Ellen Villa Devine, Dark Snow Rooted. This is brand new for 2021. I just reviewed it. Partial hand-tied cap, just a beautiful cap. Like I said, I've reviewed it. There'll be a link below, so be sure to check this one out. It is lovely. Lace front, mono part, synthetic, chin length, modern bob. Really, really a winner. Ellen Villa Devine. John Rene January hand-tied in caramel syrup. Now this has been around a long time for a good reason. This is a beautiful wig. I love the shattered waves on this. Just run a little water through this, a little sea salt spray through here, and just separate out these curls, and it is just ready to go. Synthetic fibers, hand-tied cap, lace front, mono part, beachy waves, easy to wear. Such a beautiful style. John Rene January hand-tied. Belle Tress Caliente and Root Beer Float Blonde. Again, beautiful beachy waves, deconstructive waves, modern A-line bob, heat-friendly fibers, open wefted, lace front, mono part. Just throw on and go. The messier the better on this one. Beautiful. Belle Tress Caliente, Root Beer Float Blonde. Henry Margu Presley, 26H. If you're wanting something long, beautiful, it'd be hard to beat Presley. This is so pretty. Lace front, mono part, open wefted, synthetic fibers. Long layers, has this longer fringe in the front. You could pull this back. A lot you could do with this. Henry Margu Presley and 26H. Raquel Welch Unfiltered, Honey Ginger. Again, shattered wave bob. These have been all the rage this year. Every brand, I think, has made one of these wigs. I think they're great. I think they're fun to wear. I think that most people can wear them. They work for most face shapes. It's just a no-brainer. You put this on, run your fingers through it, and it just works. It's beautiful. Heat-friendly fibers, lace front, mono top, open wefted, chin length. Has a nice length on this. Now, my face is 9 inches from hairline to chin, so that should give you some idea of where this will hit on you. And my head circumference is 21 1/4. Okay, this is what I decided. I'm at least going to start my day with Henry Margu Presley and 26H. I thought it would be fun to start off the day with something long. I'm sure I'll be changing, like I said, as the day goes on, but I want to just pull this back into a ponytail. It's off my face. It has these little layers you can pull around. Lace front, synthetic fiber, open wefted, monopart. Just a very nice style, Henry Margu Presley. Thank you again for joining me today. Thank you for being with me all year long. Please leave me lots of comments. I love to interact with you, and please give me a thumbs up. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, I'm wishing you a very happy and healthy Thanksgiving.